Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions for the preparation of entrance exams for Master of Public Health, MPH, Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, and other competitive exams like MSc Zoology, MSc Botany, MSc Biochemistry entrance exams for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Trent Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Puducherry, Christian Medical College Bangalore, Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Nibhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Pune University, Rajasthan University of Health Sciences, Jaipur, and for all other university and institutes which conducts hospital administration, MHA, public health, MPH, and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF notes, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. Here first question is, malfunction of which organ causes diabetes? Malfunction of which organ causes diabetes? Options are A. liver, B. pancreas, C. kidney, D. heart. Correct answer is option B. pancreas. So malfunction of pancreas organ causes diabetes. Malfunction of pancreas organ causes diabetes. Next question is, amniocentesis is techniques used. Amniocentesis is techniques used. Options are A. to determine the sex of fetus, B. to test of amino acids, C. to test brain, D. none of these. Correct answer is option A. to determine the sex of fetus. Amniocentesis is techniques used to determine the sex of fetus. So amniocentesis is a technique which is used to determine the sex of fetus. Next question is, which endocrine gland is found in chest cavity? Which endocrine gland is found in chest cavity? Options are A. pineal gland, B. thymus gland, C. thyroid gland, D. adrenal gland. Correct answer is option B. thymus gland. So thymus endocrine gland is found in chest cavity. Thymus gland, which is an endocrine gland and is found in chest cavity. Next question is, secretion from endocrine gland is called. Secretion from endocrine gland is called. Options are A. juice, B. enzyme, C. hormone, D. solution. Correct answer is option C. hormone. Secretion from endocrine gland is called hormone. Next question is, which one of following is not a endocrine gland? Which one of following is not a endocrine gland? Options are A. adrenal, B. pituitary, C. thyroid, D. liver. Correct answer is liver. So among adrenal, pituitary, thyroid, liver is not an endocrine gland. Adrenal, pituitary, thyroid, these are endocrine gland, and liver is not an endocrine gland. Next question is, to reduce tooth decay, most toothpastes contain a. To reduce tooth decay, most toothpastes contain a. Options are A. bromide, B. fluoride, C. fluoride, D. chloride. Correct answer is option B. fluoride. To reduce tooth decay, most toothpastes contain a fluoride. So to reduce tooth decay, most toothpastes contain a fluoride. Next question is, which of the following is not a gland? Which of the following is not a gland? Options are A. thyroid, B. gastrin, C. liver, D. pancreas. Correct answer is option B. gastrin. So gastrin is not a gland. Thyroid, liver, pancreas, these are gland, and gastrin is not a gland. Next question is, which of the following is known as master gland in man? Which of the following is known as master gland in man? Options are A. pancreas, B. pituitary, C. adrenal, D. thyroid. Correct answer is option B. pituitary. Pituitary gland is known as master gland in man. Next question is, which one of following is smallest gland of body? Which one of following is smallest gland of body? Options are A. liver, B. salivary gland, C. pituitary, D. thyroid. Correct answer is option C. pituitary. So pituitary is smallest gland of body. Pituitary gland is smallest gland of body. Next question is, the hard enamel layer of teeth is? The hard enamel layer of teeth is? Options are A. calcium phosphate, B. calcium oxide, C. calcium hydroxyapatite, D. calcium hydroxide. Correct answer is option C. calcium hydroxyapatite. The hard enamel layer of teeth is? Correct answer is calcium hydroxyapatite. So the hard enamel layer of teeth is calcium hydroxyapatite. Next question is, pituitary gland is situated in? Pituitary gland is situated in? Options are A. brain, B. throat, C. kidney, D. pancreas. Correct answer is option A. brain. Pituitary gland is situated in brain. So pituitary gland is situated in brain. Next question is, which of the following hormone is injected into cow and buffalo during milking? Which of the following hormone is injected into cow and buffalo during milking? Options are A. somatotropin, B. oxytocin, C. interferon, D. insulin. Correct answer is option B. oxytocin. So oxytocin hormone is injected into cow and buffalo during milking. Oxytocin hormone is injected into cow and buffalo during milking. Next question is, thyroid gland is activated by which hormone for the secretion of thyroxine? Thyroid gland is activated by which hormone for the secretion of thyroxine? Options are A. TSH, B. FSH, C. LTN, D. ACTH. Correct answer is option A. THS. Thyroid gland is activated by THS hormone for the secretion of thyroxine. Full form of THS is thyroid stimulating hormone. So thyroid gland is activated by TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone, for the secretion of thyroxine. Next question is, growth hormone is secreted from? Growth hormone is secreted from? Options are A. thyroid, B. adrenal, C. gonads, D. pituitary. Correct answer is option D. pituitary. Growth hormone is secreted from pituitary. Next question is, an example of hormone is? An example of hormone is? Options are A. oxytocin, B. renin, C. papain, D. cytosine. Correct answer is option A. oxytocin. An example of hormone is oxytocin. Oxytocin is an example of hormone. Next question is, what is the effect of over secretion of hormone from pituitary gland? What is the effect of over secretion of hormone from pituitary gland? Options are A. increased growth in length, B. unbalanced development of body, C. body became curved, D. none of these. Correct answer is option A. increased growth in length. So effect of over secretion of hormone from pituitary gland is increased growth in length. Increased growth in length is the effect of over secretion of hormone from pituitary gland. Next question is, enlargement of gland takes place due to deficiency of iodine. Enlargement of gland takes place due to deficiency of iodine. Options are A. thyroid, B. pituitary, C. adrenal, D. parotid. Correct answer is option A. thyroid. Enlargement of gland takes place due to deficiency of iodine, thyroid. Next question is, myxedema is a disorder produced due to hypersecretion of? Myxedema is a disorder produced due to hypersecretion of? Options are A. liver, B. adrenal, C. thyroid, D. pancreas. Correct answer is option C. thyroid. Myxedema is a disorder produced due to hypersecretion of thyroid. So myxedema is a disorder produced due to hypersecretion of thyroid. Next question is, normal blood pressure reading of an adult human. Normal blood pressure reading of an adult human. Options are A. 120/80 mmHg, that is millimeter of mercury, B. 160/95 millimeter of mercury, C. 130/90 millimeter of mercury, D. 80/120 millimeter of mercury. Correct answer is option A, that is 120/80 millimeter of mercury. normal blood pressure reading of an adult human? Correct answer is 120/80 mmHg, that is millimeter of mercury. So normal blood pressure reading of an adult human is 120/80 millimeter of mercury. Next question is pineal gland is situated in options are A liver, B brain, C kidney, D uterus. Correct answer is option B brain. Pineal gland is situated in brain. So in this video, information regarding 20 very important multiple choice questions has been given for the preparation of entrance exam for MPH, MHA and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.